Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I'm the chairman of the International Science Nutrition Society and the founder and president of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also a scientist that has worked for years in the biotech and pharmaceutical industry, but before I did that, I actually was a psychologist and a counselor, and I dealt with a lot of patients that had schizophrenia and different types of mental health disorders. Today, I want to talk about depression and schizoaffective disorder. This is a disease that affects more females than males. It is something that is debilitating. We all know that cancer is something horrible that happens to people and to families. However, we fail to understand how impactful mental illness is and how it affects not just the individual, but also everyone around them. In this particular case study, the doctor was Dr. Tina Bosnick, and she was able to work with a patient that had been on anywhere from 14 to 17 meds daily throughout the last 10 to 20 years of their life, depending on what they were going through. The patient actually ended up having significant issues and having to be put into a psychiatric institution because she could no longer live in the real world. The patient was a female that was 68 years old. She had severe schizoaffective disorder accompanied by severe depression since 1996. To go with this, she had to use lots of different types of treatments that were given by the pharmaceutical company, and while they would help for a while, the side effects were so bad that then she would go down on the treatment levels, and then she was not able to sustain her normal activities because the schizoaffective disorder got even worse. For this treatment, the doctor decided to put the patient on different things that had to do with nutritional health, as well as to use different proprietary blends. The patient started taking 10 drops of a proprietary blend that had to do with silica, trace minerals, and vitamin C in the morning, 10 drops in the morning, and later 10 drops also at night. The second thing they did was they used a proprietary blend that had to do with L-theanine, pine bark, velvet bean, and other types of things in an ingredient formula that could really support the neurotransmission of the body. Dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine are very important in these particular cases. The patient was able to take 2 of these pills, one in the morning and one at lunch, to help with the symptoms. After a while, this particular patient was able to use both blends and then use a third blend that had to do with turmeric, curcumin, black cumin seed, and other types of ingredients that would really support the body even further. She improved to such a level that the particular patient was able to not only leave the hospital, but then to babysit her daughter alone, who she had never taken care of in her entire life. The family members were extremely happy, as well as this individual. She was able to lose 40 pounds and was able to get off most of her medication and continue on with her life due to gradually decreasing the amount and increasing the nutritional supplement. While the doctor does not recommend this for everyone, and while she states this was a 6-month process, we wanted to make sure that we got this information out so we could help even more patients that suffer from depression, schizophrenia, and other types of mental health issues. This is something that we believe is groundbreaking and can help people throughout the world.